Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I'm pulling the carburetor of my Yamaha Maxim out. This motorcycle has been stalled for the last 7 years and stored in a barn, so I don't know what's coming out of it. We need to get this motorcycle started. As I told you, it was marketplace find for $100, and this is the Maxim, and that's the XJ. The XJ is kind of already ready. It's got its emblems on, it's got everything sitting on it. It looks pretty neat. We're just gonna get the Maxim done up. So the carburetor is kind of finished with the manifold as well as the air intake, so there's not much space that we're playing with here. And it's going to be a little hard for it to come out, but I'm going to try my best. At the same time, in this video I'm also going to show you what exactly comes out. So you have an accelerator cable, you have the clutch cable, these two things pulled out from the carburetor, and then you can kind of shake the carb and get it out. But I'm going to show you my struggles as I go through this process. Stay tuned. Yeah, so guys, here we are, assuming that this nut is something that needs to come out first, because this is holding, I think, the choke. So yeah, it is. If I move the choke, you can see this guy move backwards and forward. Then I'm going to release the accelerator because I need to get this small little guy out of this, because when I accelerate, you can see the pull. So there you go. Yeah, right. So I'm going to be doing that. I think these two are the only cables that get out of here till I attack this valve, which I can open on both sides. These two valves behind for the air intake manifold, and this, I guess, is the ID-link. If I'm wrong, guys, comment below. But yeah, pretty much it. Pretty simple. It's just 2-cylinder. It's not like our XJ 4-cylinder. And yeah, if this stuff is out, I don't think there's anything else that's holding me back from getting this carb out of this manifold. If I'm having difficulty getting this out of here, I'm going to use a heat gun. I'm going to loosen it a little, heat it up so it becomes more flexible, and I'm going to try getting it out.